This is a disclaimer. Sphere of Workers is not affiliated with any labor department, Department of Labor, or any government organization. It's just a private company eqalwe ngendlela yokuthi kena kumele kuukuthi kena abasebenzi bayalekeleleka bathole ulwazi ukuthi kena inkinga ababhekana nazo bazihandlisha kanjani ngendlela esemthethweni, hayi ngendlela yama emotions, because uma izinto ziphuma esandleni yilapho ningakhona ukuthi kena niwine ama cases ka CCMA ngenxa yokuthi kena nithathe ngamawala nangathatha ngokuthi kena umthetho uthi kumele nilwe kanjani. Asilwi ngamazwi, asilwi ngeyibhakela, kodwa sila ngomthetho. As we say, the Sphere of Workers stepping back legally. As stepping ngomese, we stepping back legally. Okay? And we do not do any legal representation. Ukuthi kena sizokumela mhlambe kwa CCMA kuma bargaining councils, no. Only thing esinceda ngayo education yelona ye labor law, nathi esifunda direct from ama labor legislations, akusizinto isiqhamuka emqondweni wethu. And enye into esinceda ngayo i-research. Uma uletha i-case yakho kithina ukuthi kena nginenkinga ngibhekene nesimo esikanje kanje, sithina senza i-research maqondana nenkinga obhekene nayo, sikunikeze the right information okumele uyisebenzise ukuze udile nenkinga obhekene nayo in a legal way, ngaphandle kwama emotions, so that you are always in the right side with the law. Okay? If ever, let's say you need help with a letter of grievance to your HR, we can help you ukuthi kena ubhale leyo ncwadi leyo. Thina sizokunceda some sort of a template ezokwazi ukuthi kena iqukathe konke okubalekile okumele ukuthi kena kufinyelela ku HR wakho, ukuze ukwazi ukuthi kena udaba lakho lusingatheke ngendlela efanele. And ilapho ke la siphelela khona. Noma ngathiwa mhlambe you are being dismissed, udinga usizo